Okay, so we're going to do this step by step. The first thing in the procedure, it says you have 2 sterile centrifuge tubes. Label 1 plus, which means with plasmid, and label the other minus, which means without plasmid. And there it is. Okay, so the next thing, it says using a disposable graduated pipette, add about 1/4 mil, or it's 250 microliters of sterile calcium carbonate, calcium chloride to each of the tubes. So you have 2 tubes that you're given. One, the purple one says LB on it, which means LB broth. And then the other one says CaCl, which is calcium chloride. So you're gonna add 250 mils from this tube into each of these tubes. This is a sterile pipette. You should have about 3 of them on your bench. And how you open it, I'm doing it with one hand, is you're gonna peel these back kind of like string cheese. And you wanna keep it sterile. So once you open it, you wanna keep this part down here sterile. So you're gonna pull the pipette out from the bulb and not touch the bottom part, okay? Okay, so don't do what I'm doing. I'm actually gonna touch this part here. But on this pipette, you see halfway down, this is 0.5 mils right here. And you can see that it says 0.5, you really can't see it. Now this right here, this first notch, this is 0.25. This is your goal. This is where you want to suck the pipette up to with your solutions. So you're going to suck 0.25 mils or 250 microliters of the calcium carbonate to this point here. Okay, so again, we have our pipette. This is 0.5, this is 0.25 right here. Okay? Okay, so you're gonna put 0.25 of this into here, and then 0.25 into the other tube. Okay, once you're done with this, okay, just pretend this is ice, okay? Just have an imagination. This is just, okay. You're gonna put your rack into the ice bath, okay? Now, make sure that you keep track of which number you have, okay? So everybody has their own special number. Make sure you write it down somewhere and keep track of it, because you're gonna need that after we do all our water baths and things like that.